I'm wholesale shopping for jewelry supplies in Buenos Aires. This is a quick and blurry video of my trip. This is my home. We are in a wholesale store here in Argentina. And I got cowrie shells and end caps in really big beads. And now I'm going to show you what else they have. All kinds of stuff. Before I show you what's inside the store, I'm going to show you what I picked up. And the first thing that I have are these 40 millimeter wood beads. And I had an idea that what I wanted to do with these is I want to wrap them in fabric and use them as focal beads. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration of how I plan to wrap these beads. I cut a piece of wire that I'm using as a needle because I'm just going to pass the strips of fabric through the bead and wrap it. But first I need to anchor the bead. So I'll use my glue, my tacky glue, to anchor my fabric. And then I'll just use my homemade needle to wrap the fabric by passing it through the bead hole back and forth. So here's the finished product. I'm gonna use these beads as focal beads. These are 40 millimeter wood beads that I have, and I got a package of, I don't remember how many of them are in the package, maybe 15 or 20 of them. I got a package of 100 chokers. I think these are either 16 or 18-inch chokers. And then I have these jump rings. These are pretty large jump rings that I'm gonna use in different designs. And here are and this is what I really only went for one thing, and it was these end caps. So these are end caps that I'm going to use with the fabric necklaces that I'm gonna make. And I got them in 2 sizes, and I got gold tone and silver tone. And this end cap fits on this small size rope. I have these wood rings that I'm going to use to make hoop earrings with. I'm probably going to paint some, I'm going to wrap some in fabric, and I'm going to engrave some on my machine. So I'm going to do some different designs. Now, I was looking for cowrie shells, and I found these faux cowrie shells. These are pearl tone. And then I got 2 big bags of the natural cowrie stones that I wanted. I also got these little tiny end caps, and I probably shouldn't have got those, but I'll find something to do with them. And I couldn't resist this big bag of red beads. Now this is I wanted these large rings, but they didn't have the bulk bag of them, so I just got a few packages of them. And all of this I got from one store, Almacén de Armado was the name of the store, and they had 4 different locations really on the same street. One was wholesale, one was retail, and a couple of them specialized in different kinds of supplies. But here I am inside the store, so I'm not finished shopping yet. I was trying to control myself. So this is just a quick run through. I'm not going to narrate, but I'm just showing you how much stuff they have in that store. This was another store. I was looking at their wood beads. I was tempted to get some of these, but I had to restrain myself. But man, you could just really, really have a ball in this area. And the name of the area was Once, Once. And it was just a couple of streets with just wholesale jewelry and all kinds of wholesale gifts and stuff. But you know, of course, I was only interested in the jewelry supply. When we were shopping, we had to convert the pesos into dollars. So after I collected my haul, we just went down the street looking in the different wholesale supply shops just to see what they had. So that's what the rest of this is. I didn't buy anything else. I just looked. So if you're ever in Buenos Aires, go to the Once section of the city and you will find all kinds of supplies. You do need to know a few Spanish words. I learned to say cuantos. Cuantos is how much. But we were converting as well. But different places had different conversion rates. It was a really interesting experience.
Perdón, pásame lo que se recaga.
Excuse me.
Ready?
Okay, let's go in here. Get in here. 30% off.
Hola.
Hola.
De la bolita de acero número 4. Para allá. Adelante.
Oh, it's plastic. It looks like wood. Looks like the chocolate candy. Plastic 3,000. Well, that's a good price.
Por ejemplo, una de ellas no tenga pasaporte, esté con la precaria, se puede con la precaria. Pero que tiene registrado, o sea, que tiene la precaria registrada también.
Let's see. One for 1,500, 3 for 3,000.
No sabes qué soltar.
I got 3,000 of these or what? That's not what I'm looking for. All right, good people, this is Sherry. Thanks for watching and be blessed.